Okay folks, we're all set up with our floor mop. Our extender wands are connected. We're connected to our gun. Our microfiber pad is attached and we're simply ready to do the floor. So as you can see, we can swivel this any which way we need to go and up and down. And it's very lightweight, so pushing it around is a piece of cake. You can adjust your pressure as you like. A dirtier floor might need more pressure. As you find your microfiber pads are getting a little bit dirty, you can switch them out. We've given you 3 in the kit. You can always purchase more and they're washable. So now we're just gonna do this hardwood floor. Looking at a hardwood floor, looking at a lot of tile floors, you're never really knowing how much dirt there actually is on the floor until you clean it. And then you're always surprised when you look at your microfiber pad. So with any of our steamers, you should have plenty of steam pressure. You should have plenty of longevity of the steam to make this work. So we're just gonna do a section of the floor. You wanna wait until you get a little bit of steam coming out of the mop. And then we don't need a lot of pressure. So a little bit of pressure will work. And as we come into a corner, we can fit it tight to the corner. We can make turns. If I need to turn it, we can turn it. And it all depends on how much area that you want to cover. Now we're going to leave a little bit of wetness on the floor. We can't get around that. You can turn the steam down as much as you possibly can, but there is going to be a little wetness on the floor which should dry up on its own, and you can adjust that wetness by adjusting your steam pressure. Now, this is my floor, and I thought I did a good job of cleaning it a few days ago, but just doing that, that's how much dirt you're going to pick up on something that you think is already clean. We hope you'll think this floor mop is a good addition to your steamer.